everybody, my name is Haley Bailey and welcome to my channel, Swella Bella. I just wanted to share one of my favorite quotes that I have liked recently by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Let me pull it up. So, he said, as to methods, there may be 1,000,000 and then some, but the principles are few. The man who grasps principles can successfully select his own methods. The man who tries methods, ignoring principles, is sure to have trouble. Okay, so I just want to talk about this because I think it's an awesome quote and can be applied to beauty and fitness, which is what my channel is about. He talks about how there are different kinds of methods to do many different things. For example, on the beauty side of things, there are 1,000,000 different opinions and methods to different kinds of beauty, whether it's makeup or hair. You can still come out with the same result by doing it different ways. For example, the lash application video that I uploaded, and I'll actually put a link below if you want to check it out for the way I put on lashes. There are 1,000,000 different ways that you can put on lashes, but if you get the same result with your lashes staying on all day and not halfway up your eyelid, you're good to go. It still is the same result. Same thing goes for the health and fitness industry. If you stay consistent with your nutrition and tracking your calories and things like that, you'll either gain or lose or maintain your weight. And if you stick to a smart, thought-out program and stay consistent with that, doesn't matter what you want to improve in, strength, speed, just overall general fitness, you'll become better at it. There are 1,000,001 different ways to do all of those kinds of things. You can do what works for you and what's best for you, as long as if the foundation and the principles are the same. Anyway, I just wanted to share that quote. So, there's my 2 cents. And if you have any questions or comments, please just comment below or use my hashtag so that I can find. Bye!